This video I'm playing Monster Truck Shadow Racer. I'm playing on Poke.com again. Alright, garage on. Power, speed, nitro, on this. On. Alright, I only have this one, I guess. Alright. Start off with one. What the hell? Oh shit. Oh, that was nitro. Yeah, I wasn't able to full screen this, so like I'll have it zoomed in for you guys, but for me, it's kinda small screened. Oh yeah, I'm way too good at this, but it's too easy. My god, man. I got this in the bag. Hell yeah. Nice. Bonus 1,000. Garage, yeah. We can do some upgrades here. Power, speed, nitro, yeah. Let's get some more speed in. Bonus, whatever that means. Nitro. And now, alright. This is for 3,500. I just stick with this one and upgraded it like a ton. Alright. Shit is way too easy. These AI will never beat me. Or real people, I don't know. On. Oh yeah. Taking first place back. Oh yeah. Really taking the lead here. Nice. Oh shit. Hell yeah. Damn, I flipped over even. Let's go back to the garage. Get more. Rich power, yeah. Oh yeah, tons of power, speed. All of that. Alright, now I'm back to being broke. Alright. Nice. Oh, so I just picked up a nitro canister, I think. Yes, and I could just whatever that white bar is. Oh, it's fuel. Damn. Yeah. It's kind of hard to see with all this black and white. I mean, super cool and all, but it's kind of hard to see. Well, actually, I'd blame it more on the small screen. I'm not letting that dude beat me. Come on. Oh yeah. Barely beat him. Bonus 200. Speed is maxed out. Power is maxed out. Nitro, alright, we'll upgrade that one once. Alright, level 4. Alright. Nice. Too easy, man. So yeah, my nitro is this blue bar right here on the bottom left. On. Flip. I just did a flip. Nice. Holy. That truck just fell in. Thought it was gonna beat me for a second. Yeah. I still win. Nice. Alright, let's get more nitro, coolness, whatever coolness it is. Dude, fully maxed out. Level 5. Hell yeah. On. Oh yeah. This is it, man. Did it just give me fuel for doing the flip? I feel like it just did. Whoosh. That was almost bad. Yeah. I took back my flip as soon as I knew I couldn't make the full turn. Oh shit! Shit! Come on. Oh man, second place. Wait, first place? What? Bro. I just keep on getting first place here, man. It's crazy. Is there any more things to do in the garage? Oh, I can't afford this one. Yo guys, I'm Rep out here. This was a monster truck shadow racer. Super cool, man. Alright. I totally recommend this game to you guys, alright. It's on Poke.com. I'll also the game name in the description. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this vid, please like and sub. I'll see you guys next time.